Hey, and welcome back to 2D Tiger. I just want to show you here how I've pushed those pins into the back of this connector and then zip tied them on. So we've got the reversing signal and the ground and the video signal. I'm hoping that that'll be okay. I'll plug that all in and that just goes into the back down here. Actually, I might even be able to show you. See if we let the smoke out. Let's start her up. Everything's good so far. We're going to reverse. I'm going to see if we can get video signal. I think we're good on the oscilloscope. Yep, there we go. I got video signal. Awesome. So that's working.